In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI smart background music generator on Filmona. So if you have a video and you like to go ahead and get AI do the heavy lifting of getting the best background music to be accompanied with your video, it is pretty much simple. It's just a click of a button. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. So instead of you going around and looking for the appropriate background music for your video, you can let Filmona do it for you using its AI tool. To do this, go ahead and look for this icon here. It's called Smart Background Music Generator. Now you are told using this, we can automatically comprehend the content on the current timeline and generate suitable background music. So click on it. And then for my case, I'm on a free account, so I have one trial. Just click on it. And if you have a paid account, just go ahead and click on OK. Now this will go ahead and begin analyzing your video automatically to determine suitable background music to be accompanied on your video. And as you can see, it has automatically determined the length, and therefore the background music should be equivalent to the length of the video. So this might take some few seconds or a minute to complete analyzing. And now once that is done, your music will be added automatically, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and try and see the music that was added here by AI. Wow, as you can see, the selection was perfect. Now let's listen to the end. Wow, that is a perfect ending. Now you can go ahead and remove this announcement of generated by AI there. And that is perfect. So that's how you can generate AI background music automatically in Filmona. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.